अब हम पुरस्कारों का सिलसिला शुरू करते हैं। पहले सिनेमा पर सर्वश्रेष्ठ लेखन के लिए पुरस्कार। I request our honorable president to kindly come away and give the first set of awards.
Ladies and gentlemen, the first award this evening, Best Film Critic, P.S. Radhakrishnan, Co Swarn Kamal.
For his fresh and insightful analysis of the history, aesthetics, and politics of cinema.
The next award is Best Book on Cinema. The Swarn Kamal goes to Shri B.D. Garga, author of book Silent Cinema in India, A Pictorial Journey, and publisher HarperCollins India. Unfortunately, the author of this book, Shri B.D. Garga, is no more with us. Shri Shantanu Ray Chaudhary will receive the award on his behalf.
For its meticulous research and outstanding production qualities that have great archival value.
The jury has also given a special mention to film critic Piyush Roy, a certificate to Piyush Roy.
For his in-depth knowledge of cinema and easy, informative style.
And now the non-feature film category. शुरुआत करते हैं स्पेशल मेंशन से। A Pinch of Skin फिल्म के लिए डायरेक्टर प्रिया गोस्वामी को सर्टिफिकेट।
A film that explores a shocking reality amongst women of a particular community.
दूसरा स्पेशल मेंशन फिल्म एंड टेलीविजन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया पुणे से आंद्रिया एयनाता को फिल्म अल्लाह इज ग्रेट, अ सर्टिफिकेट।
A subtly humorous look at life and the vagaries of fate.
थर्ड स्पेशल मेंशन फिल्म राह के एनिमेशन के लिए संजय जांगिड को सर्टिफिकेट।
For exploring an innovative style of animation and the creation of arresting images.
And now the main awards for the non-feature film section. Best Narration Voiceover, Moni Bordloi for Suranjana Dipali film. Rajat Kamal.
Evocative, gentle and understated, the voiceover gives a meaningful expression to the subject of the film.
Best Editing, Film Celluloid Man, Irene Dhar Malik, co Rajat Kamal.
For the skillful interweaving of images from the past, present, juxtaposed seamlessly into a compelling, multi-layered narrative.
Best Audiography, Film Do Din Ka Mela, Hari Kumar Madhavan Nair, co Rajat Kamal.
For patiently and passionately capturing the world of sounds that beautifully create the rustic flavor that is so critical to this film.
Next award, Cinematography. The award for Best Cinematography is jointly given to two films. Film Katal के लिए FCI पुणे से अभिमन्यु डांगे, रजत कमल। इस फिल्म की प्रोसेसिंग लेबोरेटरी है रिलायंस मीडिया वर्क्स। पुरस्कार प्राप्त करेंगे कृष्णा शेट्टी, इन्हें भी रजत कमल।
For meticulous and confident image making that greatly augment the storytelling.
The second award for Best Cinematography goes to Shepherds of Paradise, Raja Shabir Khan, co Rajat Kamal.
For simple, stark and sometimes breathtaking cinematography under the most difficult weather conditions where some images linger long after the film is over.
Best Film on Family Values, Afterglow, Kaushal Ojha ko Rajat Kamal.
For an evocative portrayal of a bereaved woman laced with warmth and humor and skillfully weaves the past and the present.
The producer of this film from FCI Pune, DJ Narayan, receives a Rajat Kamal as well. FCI को एक और कैटेगरी बेस्ट शॉर्ट फिक्शन के लिए पुरस्कार मिलता है फिल्म कातल के लिए। फिल्म कातल के डायरेक्टर हैं FCI पुणे से विक्रांत पवार।
For a keen and precise cinematic imagination that creates the world of the film.
The Special Jury Awards has been given to two directors. The first, Cancer Katha के लिए Vasudha Joshi को रजत कमल.
For a very personal rendition of a filmmaker's tryst with cancer, dealing with the harsh reality of the disease and unfolding the relationship of life, death, and filmmaking.
Best Anthropological Ethnographic Film, Char, The No Man's Land. Producer-Director Saurav Sarangi ko Rajat Kamal.
For its lyrical depiction of fragile life of people living precarious existences.
Best Investigative Film, इंशाल्लाह कश्मीर के प्रोड्यूसर्स जावेद जाफरी और अश्विन कुमार. Javed Jafri first on stage for Rajat Kamal. And director Ashwin Kumar, इन्हें भी Rajat Kamal.
For fearlessly unearthing the truth about Kashmir and discovering Kashmiriyat.
The next award, ladies and gentlemen, Best Exploration Adventure Film. Manipuri Pony, producer Films Division, B.S. Kundu को Rajat Kamal.
For tracing and presenting the historical significance of the game of polo, which has its origins in Manipur.
Best Film on Social Issues, Behind the Mist, producer and director Babu Kamrat, इन्हें 2 Rajat Kamal.
For its depiction of a land and people whose vital connections were lost.
Best Environment Film, Timbuktu, producer Public Service Broadcasting Trust, Rajiv Mehrotra, इन्हें Rajat Kamal. Ladies and gentlemen, this is his 21st National Award as director and producer. 21st. फिल्म के डायरेक्टर्स हैं रिंटू थॉमस और सुष्मित घोष. फर्स्ट अप रिंटू थॉमस मंच पे. और अब सुष्मित घोष.
For a film that chronicles an initiative to regenerate degraded land through organic farming.
Best Arts and Culture Film, Modi Khanchya Don Ghoshti, producer and director Gauri Patwardhan, इन्हें 2 Rajat Kamal.
For a nuanced depiction of 2 artists who negotiate their Dalit identity in very different ways.
Best Biographical Film, Celluloid Man, producer and director Shivendra Singh Dungarpur, इन्हें 2 Rajat Kamal.
For capturing the life of a person whose love for cinema created a cinematic heritage.
Best Promotional Film, Dreaming Taj Mahal, producer and director Nirmal Chander, इन्हें 2 Rajat Kamal.
An intimate depiction of the dreams of an ordinary man who wishes for love and harmony across hostile borders.
Best Debut Non-Feature Film of a Director, Eka Gacha, Eka Manisha, Eka Samudra. पहले मंच पे प्रोड्यूसर बीनू भूषण वैद, इन्हें रजत कमल. And director Lipika Singh Darai को रजत कमल.
For a nuanced depiction of 2 artists who negotiate their Dalit identity in very different ways.
Next award, Best Non-Feature, Shepherds of Paradise, produced and directed by Raja Shabbir Khan. इन्हें 2 रजत कमल.
For an emphatic portrayal of life of a nomadic shepherd family of Kashmir.